Alright guys, welcome back. Today I went to Walmart. I found the new double packs, the Spin Master Monster Jam, which is Pirate's Curse versus Kraken. The reason why I got it because I don't have a Kraken no more. But the Pirate's Curse, I'll probably just body swap it or something. I'll leave it like that. I like it better than the yellow one, that's for sure, that I have. Here's the back. Nothing new, just Little Loco again, Whiplash. These are the new ones, these two. These we have them, re-releases. 2, 3, 4, like 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 re-releases. Real Truck Action Monster Jam Series 34. So cool because Kraken is pretty awesome. I like Kraken. So let's go ahead and open this real quick. Okay. Let's start off with the Kraken first. Kraken. Dark teal tires, black rims and beadlocks, dark teal roll cage, green chassis. The Kraken eating the truck, star. I haven't seen a Kraken from Monster Jam in a while. I'm glad they brought it back. Squid detail, BKT tires. Pirate's Curse we know, it's just a reskin. Lighter teal tires, it looks lighter than these. Light teal tires, light teal roll cage, yellow chassis. The Pirate's Curse face, gold tooth, plastic knife and sword, the hat, Pirate's Curse on the side, rubbery bandana, Pirate's Curse with the clothing detail. Pretty cool. So that's what I got today only, guys. I'm going to Target tomorrow, see what I find, if there's anything new. Like, subscribe, comment, share, more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.